Next modification in leaf, that's the for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis here example, remember Australian acacia. In this plant, remember that this is the first of all desert plant in which very few leaves are there and very small size leaves are there. Small size and very few. But plant is huge. So how can it helpful? Okay, one thing, desert in that the water scarcity is there. If more number of leaves, then transpiration problem, right? So to avoid all these things, here leaves are very few, but petiole becomes greenish in color. Petioles become flat, expanded structure and possess chlorophyll. Petiole में तो stomata होते ही नहीं, right? So this part now possess chlorophyll and becomes flattened structure. And now on this petiole flattened structure, the leaflets are arise. Right? Very few leaflets are there. And that petiole, flattened petiole, which is modified for food synthesis, that we call phyllodes. Remember, one we have learned that's a phylloclade. Can anyone give me example for phylloclade? Or what is phylloclade first? Kirtan.
uh, when uh, when the stem develops or performs the function of leaves, they are called phylloclade.
Stem looks like a leaf and perform photosynthesis that we call phylloclade. Kirtan, can you give me example?
Yes, ma'am, there are desert plants like opuntia and
Opuntia. Yes, opuntia. Right? Over here, remember, petiole terminates. Petiole become flattened structure and perform photosynthesis that we call phyllodes. Phyloclade and phyllodes difference इसके फॉर्म में आता है क्वेश्चन, right? So petiole here become expand, become green and perform photosynthesis that we call the phylloid structure. Last thing, that is the insectivorous plant in modification. Insectivorous plant in that example, Nepenthes आपको एक पता होगा, that's the pitcher plant, right? Insectivorous plant, see over here, first of all ये mind में clear कर देना, Nepenthes is a pitcher plant, and if you can make out over here that insect visiting this leaf, over here the pitcher is there, उसका एक lead like structure है. Once this insect, okay, that enter into this pitcher, then this lid will closed over here. So insect remain inside this pitcher. Inside this pitcher, different types of the glands are there. Mucus gland is present, then other digestive glands are present in that, which secretes enzyme. Mucus gland क्या देता है? Mucus, which is sticky in nature. Stickiness अगर है, so that's why this insect cannot, once it enter into the pitcher, cannot able to come out due to that stickiness. And after, and by this way, okay, by this way, this insect actually die inside the pitcher, and the other glands are present which secrete enzyme on it, and from that it gets the nourishment. Mainly what? It takes nitrogen. Remember, mainly it takes what? Nitrogen. This plant capture the insect for what purpose? To get nitrogen. Because in this pitcher plant and other insectivorous plants are growing in nitrogen deficiency type of soil. So they want more amount of nitrogen, and they get the nitrogen from this insect. Next thing that remember, not all leaf. See here, leaf modified themselves into this pitcher structure. One of the tree is there, and on that pitcher tree, some of the leaf only modified this pitcher. Some are remain as it is to perform photosynthesis. Insectivorous plants, that doesn't mean all leaves start capturing the insect. No. Some of the leaf remain as it is, they perform photosynthesis, but some leaf transfer into the insectivorous plant and into the pitcher structure. So one of the example, this feature plant Nepenthes. One more example is there for that the Venus flytrap. Okay, one more example, that is which one? Venus flytrap. So see over here. Leaves are modified into this type of structure. Here the tentacles are there. जैसे ही insect visit करेगा, this all both the structures get close to each other, right? And once it close, insect remain inside that. Okay, insect remain inside that. Remember, and by that way, insect remain enclosed. Insect remain enclosed inside this. Insect remain enclosed inside this Venus flytrap structure by the tentacles. बोलिए क्लियर है insectivorous plants? All of you clear insectivorous plants, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Insectivorous plants, they capture insect to get the nitrogen, but only some of the leaf get modified to capture the insect. Some remain as it is to perform photosynthesis. One example, Nepenthes pitcher plant. Other example, Venus flytrap. Then sundew plant, right? Drosera. These are the examples for the insectivorous plant. Even Utricularia. One more example, that is Utricularia. Remember, Utricularia, commonly we call bladderwort. It's an aquatic plant. Okay, this is the aquatic insectivorous plant. ये याद रखना नीट के लिए. Aquatic insectivorous plant, Utricularia bladderwort. With this, I have concluded the entire leaf